Here's how the connecting rooms work on, this is Star of the Seas, also the same as Icon of the Seas. You'll see as you walk down hallways, you'll see doorways that have these doors pushed back like this. Show you how they work as a connecting room. Okay, here's how this looks on the outside. So these are both of those double doors that are pushed to the side. They're closed now. The nice thing with the connecting rooms is everyone in each room now only has one access point, so you don't have to get multiple keys for both rooms. You're able to use your key card room for that room and that room, all use one entry point. All right, now when we go to open the door, we can use key card. Key card works there. Here's how the connecting room works. So the regular door is just going to stay open and it magnetically adheres to the back here. This switch on the wall allows you to release the door. So I push that switch, it'll release this door. This can close. This door stays open as well. This one just stays back there. And now you have these doors here. So you have like a little entryway into each room. This is how you do this is how the connecting room works. And these are also the release points for these magnets. So to release these doors, you just push those switches there and it releases the doors to be able to close forward. The nice thing too is that each room, you can close off each room even when you're connecting. So if you have kids in the other room, you can close the door and have it quieter, and then you have a kind of a little entry room here area that allows you to go into each room with these double doors closed.